Letter number 6. Ha. The sound of coughing or clearing the throat. When we cough, we say ha. And when we clear our throat, we say ha. 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 Now with the marks from the right to the left. Ha. Hu. Hi. Ha. Hu. Hi. Now listen to these people coughing and clearing their throat and imitate them. Exactly imitate them. To say ha, we also say ha ha, like in high, ha. But when we say ha, we shrink our throat and move it, so the ha becomes ha, 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 ha. I moved my throat. I shrink the muscles of my throat, so the ha becomes ha, ha, ha. We don't shrink our throat, but when we say ha, we must shrink the muscles of our throats and move them. Ha, 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 ha.